like they fear a lot. But once you will not, take any kind of steps towards anything, so you can't learn those things. So one day you have to break your, this kind of mindset, like
Yeah,
negative
yeah.
thoughts, and then definitely you can learn anything. Even I had the same thinking, like I can't be able to understand or, speak this language because I am from Hindi medium background. So I had this kind
Yeah,
of
yeah.
mindset. How are you doing?
Yeah, I am doing well. Thank you for asking. What about you?
Yes, I'm pretty well, thank you. So this is our first session. So would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Avinash Kumar from Bihar, and I am a graduate in, in BSc, and I am also now currently I am studying in Kerala, and I have four siblings and mom and father. My father is means a worker, and my mother is a housewife.
Great. And okay, so let me introduce myself as well. My name is Tanuja,
Yes.
and I'm from Bhopal city. Yeah, basically I'm also from Bihar, but I'm living in Bhopal since my childhood. And if I'll talk about my qualification, so I have done engineering in IT branch, and currently I'm a working professional in one of the software company. And moreover, I'm running my YouTube. Yeah, that's all about me.
Thank you. You are also from Bihar.
Yeah, right.
Which which place?
It's Bhagalpur.
Okay, I
You
am from in Bihar, Patna. You know Patna?
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't get much time to visit Bihar, but we usually go on some occasion or in any kind of ceremony only.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so like, why are you living in Kerala?
I am studying here.
Okay, oh, nice. So you love that city? Sorry,
Yeah,
state.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Very nice place in Kerala. Here people are also very nice.
Okay. So have you visited any places there? Any
Yeah,
famous?
yes, yes.
Which one?
Yeah, too much places is here. I visited means Munnar,
Yeah.
yeah, that place, and here good means not only for in Kerala, in my maybe in the world, one mall is here, Lulu Mall. You know Lulu Mall?
No, no.
No, okay, sorry. Is no only for in Kerala, but international means Hyderabad in Kerala means like
Hmm.
that branches is there.
Okay. So you are just getting chance to visit that places also.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
nice.
yeah.
Most of the people want to visit Kerala because of their scenery, beautiful. What can I say? It's a kind of greenery places, right?
Yes, atmosphere here also very good. Climate here also good.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, I have heard so many things. Like best thing about Kerala.
Yeah,
Okay, and what about your English journey? Like, may I know a little bit about this?
yeah. My English journey last 3 months because I started our English speaking course and speaking also start before I don't know about English any one word and
Mm-hmm.
my schooling. If you ask to me, my schooling, I study in Hindi medium. My all subject are plus two BA like this. All studies schooling study Hindi medium. But for me, English is a very difficult and very tough.
Yes. So now I think you are able to speak. So how do you feel? Still, you
Yeah,
feel it
now
is very difficult language?
yeah. Because somebody told me it is not my mother language. Our mother language is Hindi. It is, foreign language. We can't speak foreign language. He came here and he means, he means stay here and he, what I say means, yeah, give up here means their language. We are using their language,
Yeah.
like this people say.
So I think like anybody, for example, when foreigners comes in India, so they can't able to understand Hindi properly, and they don't even able to speak Hindi properly. You must have heard
Yes, yes,
like how they speak Hindi language. So this is the kind of same situation for us also, because our
yeah,
mother
yeah,
tongue is different, and we are just learning the different language. So yeah, it is
Yeah,
difficult, but yeah, by the practice we can learn this language. Yeah.
yeah,
So have you
yeah.
faced any challenges because of English?
A lot of challenges I face in my English journey.
Okay.
First time I came in Kerala, here, nobody knows in Hindi.
Yes. Yes.
Everybody know English and Malayali on their mother tongue. But
Mm-hmm.
when I came in maybe on the train, on the bus, that time I asked something, I want to go here. People only for looking me. Hard to say. Didn't means understand. Very tough situation that time. But nowadays, I know a little bit Malayalam also. I know English. That's why, for me, tough. But that time journey, if you ask to my journey, then I started. I don't know any English word, any vocab, any tenses, any narration voice, anything.
Mm-hmm.
How make a sentence like this? I don't know. But nowadays, practice means nowadays little bit. I am not a fluent speaker.
Mm-hmm.
I am also like this my journey.
Mm-hmm. And I think most of the people face these challenges, especially you are going to any state and we don't know their mother tongue. So yeah, it happened with me also when I first time I went to Bangalore. So that time
Uh,
when I when I went there, so whenever I was saying something in my language, so people were not able to understand that. And ultimately, I had to speak their language, otherwise English language. So
yeah,
yeah, it was really challenging that time because it is a story of 4 and 5 years back. So
yeah,
so that time I was not that much of fluent and confident enough to talk to anybody in English language. But yeah, I was making or translating the sentence in English. Then I was speaking with them. So now I
yes,
feel like if I'll get chance to visit again, so definitely I would be able to speak.
yeah, yeah. I one time I went there in Bangalore.
Mm-hmm.
That time also I facing there also a lot of challenges about food, language.
Mm, yes, yes.
Our northeast food is very different, but southeast food is very different.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, for some days or some months, it is okay to eat, but we can't
Yeah,
survive every time that we are just having their food only,
yeah, yeah,
idli, dosa, and all.
yeah. As Italy, dosa, sambar like this people having here.
Yes, yes.
Mm.
Okay. So, do you have any question for me, or?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I have no. I means I want to lot of person. I only for means English journey. When I start a people English journey, that I'm lacking a language problem. They cannot able to speak. That time he fear inside. How can I speak in English? What should do? That time in fear. Their fear feel in heart. How can I speak this English language? Any meaning word is mistake, then people mock upon me. Like that thinking, then what should to do?
Okay, I think in initial time it is natural, and I have also faced the same challenges when I met any kind of strangers. So I was hesitating because I had lack of knowledge about this language. But now I'm able to speak. I'm habitual of speaking, so that's why I don't feel any nervousness now. So I would say that if people just started their journey, so definitely they will feel this kind of problem in the initial time. But when they start, speaking every day, for example, I am talking this language or speaking this language for very long time. It's about to complete 2 years, you can say. So in this journey I have learned a lot of things, like how I can build my confidence, how I can talk confidently with other people. So I think it all depends on your practice. Once you start practicing daily, uh, every day you have to speak, and at least you have to give 15 to 20 minutes every day just for your speaking part also. So I think because of
Yes.
these things, you can improve this, overcome this problem, fear and nervousness.
Yeah, yeah.
Are you
But
still
nowadays
facing any challenge? Are you still facing any problem like this or not?
no. I am not facing like this problem because I am maybe 10 evoke my also new customers. I meet a new stranger, I converted a new stranger. That nowadays I am not facing like this problem. But those who want to speak in English, new. they are very means fear. How can I speak? Because I faced already this situation.
Mhm.
People mock also me
But to
like
be
this
honest,
people.
people don't care about your mistakes and all. It is only our thinking. Like people will think, if I'll make any kind of mistake, so they will laugh. But it is really people don't care about your mistakes. Even I am speaking this language in my workplace also, and maybe I was doing so many mistakes, but still I didn't get this kind of feedback like, Tanuja, you are doing this mistake, you should avoid and all. Because people just listen, and if they are able to understand you, so they will not care about like what mistakes you are doing. It's
Yeah,
only our mindset, like people will think anything. If you will do any kind of mistakes in front of me, so I will not think about anything. Maybe I will think for few seconds only, and after that I will forget about it.
it is a good, it's the truth. But but we have not confidence. How can I speak? But when we are starting English, then again, day by day, our build our also our what I say means our improve our language.
Hmm.
Am I right?
Yes.
First time I started na a conversation like this. That time also I think when I talk to a stranger, he think about me. He don't know any word in English. How can I speak to him? Like this, I think. But I means I build in my heart one thing. I am able to speak, no problem.
you you will have to take a step, then only you can learn this language or learn anything. People just have this kind of thinking that people like they fear a lot, but once you will not take any kind of steps towards anything, so you can't learn those things. So one day you have to break your this kind of mindset like
Yeah,
negative
yeah,
thoughts, and then definitely you can learn anything. Even I had the same thinking, like I can't be able to understand or speak this language because I am from Hindi medium background. So I had this kind
yeah,
of mindset, but now I feel like that I was stupid that time that I was thinking
yeah.
this thing.
Yes, yes. Yeah, yeah. Starting like that, everybody, those who nowadays also fluent English, those who belong in Hindi medium, they are also thinking like this.
Hmm. Yes.
But when he started their journey, and now no, for his simple for English also.
Hmm.
One teacher told me, English is not our mother tongue. English is another tongue. He is means we are practicing this language, and Hindi. Who taught us in Hindi language? You speak like this, our mother tongue. We are hearing and speaking. Then nowadays, no problem. Like this, you started our English language. Then you also improve your English language.
Yes, exactly. So are
Yeah,
you at library now?
yeah, yeah, I am in library.
Like are you fond or like fond of reading?
Yeah, my hobby also my reading book.
Mhm. So, do you read any kind of novel or self-help book?
Yeah, yeah,
Yes. So, do you
yes,
have any favorite one?
yes.
May I
I
know?
have. You want to know that person, Abdul Kalam? You know,
Yes.
my favorite is a novel.
Mm, that's nice. I think I'm not very fond of reading. Yes, I was reading when I was in my school or college days, but nowadays I am not in habit of reading. But yeah, it is a good way that if you are reading something, so we get a lot of new things, new knowledge, and we are just improving our English also. So that is good.
Yeah, yeah. We get a new vocab.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, that's nice.
That's yeah, yeah. Then one question last, I want to ask it to you.
Hmm.
How can become means confident in English language? First journey, what should to do?
Okay, for confidence, I think you should have knowledge about everything. Like, for example, I would ask you any question related to any topic or something. So, if you don't know that about that topic, so you won't be able to speak. So it generally happens that time we feel underconfident. But if you really have knowledge about something, so you can speak. For example, now we are just doing general conversation, so you can speak properly because you have knowledge what you have to say. So I think for gaining confidence, first you have to practice every day. You should gain some knowledge also about like what is happening around us, like you should be a little bit touch with news also. So these things will help you a lot. And confidence, I would say that I got this kind of confidence because of practice only.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, it is also good when without studying our English language, we can't influent in our language.
Mm, yes.
Yes.
Okay, so I have one question for you. Like, what kind of habit you want to develop now, and what kind of habit you want to leave?
Yeah, yeah. In my habit, I am lot of means my time I spend in the social media. Mobile addiction. I have a mobile addiction. I want to avoid our mobile addiction. And I want to get a time and give a time for reading and improve our English language. I talk to people, I give to new stranger to time, and I want to speak to them like this. I want, but sometime Insta, sometime Facebook, sometime YouTube, like this. And it is also for me very bad habit because I spend a lot of time for it.
Yes, you are right. And I think most of the people are facing this problem nowadays.
Modernness, because of it is modernness.
Yes, yes. And which habit you want to develop?
Yeah, my habit, I want to prevent English speaker. And
Okay.
I also did in Bihar as a reporter, social reporter. I want to also develop that work. That work also going on. I am not doing now, but some I appointed some work for a reporter. They are doing, but I am leave that work. But that channel, also my channel, that is also running on. Also, that field I want to gain. I want to improve. I want to means build that field also. And also, firstly, my purpose English language and English conversation like this. I build.
Mm, that sounds great. So, like, what's your dream job actually? Do you want to become a fluent English speaker and want to, teach other people, or have some uh,
Yeah,
different? So, do you have interest in teaching also?
yeah, yeah. I have interested in teaching.
That's nice. Okay.
I am also interested in new people, meet the new people.
Okay, that's nice. Yeah, I think it's a good habit also. Like I'm also talking to random people like this, like because of practice. So
Yeah, yeah,
I meet different people every day. So when I talk with them, so I feel energetic, and I get a lot of other information about different city, different states, and so many things we learn from them. So we
yeah,
can't.
yeah.
So I think it's a very good idea that we can talk to each other in English. So we are just improving our communication, and also we are getting a lot of information also.
Yeah, yeah. Because maybe we are belonging from Bihar, but I means maybe I not living now in Bihar. But I am living in Kerala. I want to ask in Kerala what is their climate, what is their food, what is their famous place, what is their visiting place like this. Suppose I share with you because I know about here. Then he also for you one what I say means information to you.
Hmm. Yes.
Yeah. Like this general conversation we get.
Yes. Right. Okay, so I think I don't have any question for now. And if you have, so you can ask. Otherwise, we can wrap up this.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a
Thank you
great
for
day.
giving a, okay, have also your good day and giving you this precious time
Yeah, it's
for
my pleasure.
me.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.